friends, welcome back to my channel Learn SAP with Prashant. So in this session, we'll be learning about how to define a plant and related subsequent assignments. Okay, so first directly navigate to SIMG or SPRO, then go to enterprise structure, definition, and now logistics general. Here select copy, delete, check plant. So execute. Next here copy, delete, check plant. So the best option is to define a plant is to copy from an existing plant. So he will select copy, then we'll enter from plant 1010 and we'll name our plant as D99. Click on OK. Next on the boxes, click on OK. Do you really want to transport number changes? Click on No. So all the changes will be captured in a TR. Click on OK. So the system will give a message plant been copied to D99. Click OK. Now go back. Once again go back. Now click on define plant. So we need to edit our newly created plant. Enter D99. Press enter. So double click. So we'll maintain it a plant name. And once finished, then click on address, maintain the address here, go to GmbH and maintain your plant address details. Click on OK. Now save. This completes our definition of plant. Go back and go back. Now let's go to the assignment part. From enterprise structures and assignment, go to logistics general. Here we need to assign plant to company code. So click on position and enter our plant D99. So as we have created with reference to this, so 1010 has been assigned. So select, delete, click on yes, save. Once again go to click on new entries, enter your company code D99, plant D99, press enter and save. So this completes our assignment to company code. Next, go to sales and distribution. So here assign sales organization distribution channel to client. So in this activity, we will be assigning our plant D99 to our sales organization. First, go to new entries, enter sales organization D99, distribution channel 99, plant is D99, press enter and save. As well as I say, we need to do some housekeeping activity when we copy from one organizational unit to other organizational unit. Some unnecessary configurations will also be copied. So we need to delete those unnecessary configurations. Like here you see there are so many unnecessary configurations are there. So click on select all. Only we require is this D99 entry. Rest all we are not required. So delete, save. So in this activity we have completed the of assignment of assigning plan to our sales organization and distribution channel. Okay. Let's see. Go to